Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to show how to find the value of x where 4 to the power x is equal to 8. Or we can write this 4 as 2 square. This is 4 and whole to the power this x is equal to right side. This is 8. Or now applying this exponential formula, a to the power m and whole to the power n is equal to a to the power this m times n, which is m n. Now applying this formula to left side, this 2 as a and this 2 as m and this x as n. So applying this, we can write this 2 to the power of this 2 times x, this is twice x, is equal to right side 8. We can write 8 as 2 to the power of 3. This 2 to the power 3 is equal to 8. Or now applying this formula, when a to the power m is equal to a to the power n, then this m is equal to n. So from here, m is equal to n. That means when base of both sides are same, then the power of both sides will be equal. So here these 2 and these 2 are equal, so both sides base are same, so this power, this will be same. So we can write this twice x is equal to this power, which is 3. Now divided both sides by 2, we will get left side twice x over 2 is equal to right side 3 over 2. We have divided both sides by this 2. Or this 2 and this 2 will cancel out and it will be x is equal to right side, this is 3 over 2. And this is the solution of our given equation. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.